Welcome to my all students of LTC code 1064. I am Pinaki Dasgupta. I am teaching you the management. What is management? Management is a wide term. It carries different meanings depending on the concept in which it is used. Generally, or however, management can be defined as an effort for getting things done in order to achieve the predetermined goal of the concern through coordination of human and other elements. But as its scope is too wide and as there is a sharp difference in approaches of various thinking and various ways. According to Henry Farrell, we may say that to manage is to forecast and plan, to organize, to command, to coordinate and to control. And we also say the concept of management, according to P.F. Drucker, management is a multipurpose organ that manages a business, manage a manager and manage worker and its work. So at last we say you that management may be said to be an art of getting things done by the people in a coordinate way. It is the universal in the sense that it is applicable to all type of industries. It is very management is very important. Management, the word, if we divide, we get manage men t matlab manage man tactfully. When we manage the man with tact, then the work done very well. It is the concept of the management. So we say that the management is an so we may say, so we can say that management an art of getting thing done by the people in a coordinated way. It is also the universal because all the field, not only business, in institution, in home, in all the place, in any occasion, there is we see the management is there important factor. If there is not appropriate management, then all the work, all the program, all the not good. So management is very important matter. And we also say that the scope, the demand of the management is now increasing day to day. Management views an actively or activity of process composed of some basic function for getting the objective of any enterprise accomplished through the effort of its person. Here emphasize the main word person. Further, we may say as an activity process composed of some basic function for getting the objectives of any enterprise accomplished through the efforts of its personnel. Okay.